line to force install. This bypasses the integrity check. Steps: 1. Press WinR, type cmad, and press Enter. 2. Drag the installer.exe file into the command prompt window. 3. Add the /ncrc switch at the end. Example cpash path to installer.exe/ncrc. 4. Press Enter and the installer should now run. 2. Re-download the installer from the official source. The file may be corrupted. Ensure you use a stable internet connection. Download from the official website. Avoid download managers or accelerators which might corrupt files. 3. Rename the installer. Some users report success by renaming the installer file to something shorter, like setup.exe. 4. Disable antivirus and Windows Defender temporarily. Security software may falsely block or corrupt parts of the installer. Steps: disable real-time protection in your antivirus/Windows Defender. Try running the installer again. Re-enable protection afterward. 5. Clear temporary files. Corrupt temp files can interfere. Steps: 1. Press WinR, type sent temp sent, press Enter. 2. Select all files and delete them. Assure 6. Use another user account or try on another PC. Sometimes user profile or OS issues cause the installer to fail. Test the installer on another PC or a different user account on the same system.
Yes.
7. Check hard drive health, optional but recommended. A failing hard drive can corrupt installer data. Use chkds/f in command prompt or tools like Crystal Disk Info to verify HDD SSD health. SEO title. Fix